In our last video, we explored how your appointment checklist isn't simply a list of things to bring to your visit. Your appointment checklist is the planning tool that helps you recognize the information that gives your provider a more complete understanding of your health before the appointment. Because today's healthcare environment calls for a different approach. And recognizing the right information to bring to your appointment, however, is only half the equation. Learning how to use that information during the appointment completes the picture. Knowing when to bring up concerns, when to ask for clarification, and when to direct your questions to the person best equipped to answer them helps you communicate more effectively. Then, you'll get the information you need to make the best possible decisions about your care when it matters most. Now, at this point, you may be wondering, how can a short video like this possibly teach me what questions to ask for my unique situation? That's a fair question because every patient, every diagnosis, and every appointment is different. So in this video, rather than giving you a list of questions to memorize for every appointment, we're going to focus on something much more valuable. I'm going to help you recognize the moments when asking a question can move the conversation forward. Patient better calls the questions asked during moments like these, signpost questions. Signpost questions are purposeful questions you ask yourself or your healthcare team to help clarify information, stay focused during your appointment, confirm your understanding of your treatment plan, and make more informed decisions about your care. Think of it this way. Every medical appointment follows a natural flow. Your provider may discuss your symptoms, explain a diagnosis, recommend a test, prescribe a medication, or review your next steps. Each of these conversations creates an opportunity to better understand your health, your treatment, and the decisions being made about your care. Signpost questions help you recognize those opportunities, making it easier to ask meaningful questions with confidence and participate more actively in the conversation. When you approach appointments this way, you'll start recognizing that every appointment is made up of a series of smaller conversations that build upon one another. Each conversation builds on the one before it to help your provider better understand your health, answer your questions, and guide your care. Recognizing those moments makes it easier to ask meaningful questions, stay engaged throughout the conversation, and leave your appointment with a clearer understanding of your care and what comes next. For your next appointment, I'd like to leave you with one simple idea. Don't worry about asking every question perfectly. Instead, start paying attention to the natural flow of the conversation. Listen for the moments when the conversation changes direction, a new topic is introduced, a recommendation is made, or an important decision is discussed. Those are often the moments when a signpost question can help you better understand your care and the decisions being made with you. At this point, we've explored how to think differently about preparing for your appointment and how to recognize the right moments to ask meaningful questions. Next, you'll see how the appointment companion makes it easy to organize everything before, during, and after every appointment. So, when you're ready, continue to the final video where you'll learn how to bring everything we've covered together in one place. Thanks for watching.